Hey guys, welcome back to UltimaBeauty. Today I'm doing another fall trend for you, and that is metallic eyeshadow. At Fashion Week, metallics were a really big deal. Some of them even had press-on metallic stickers, and they did them like mosaics across the eyes. It was pretty cool. Mine, I didn't want to go quite that route. I decided to just go for metallic eyeshadow. So metallic eyeshadow is pretty easy to come by. It's in almost every brand, every palette. So even this one from Too Faced has some metallic shades. Ooh, has some metallic shades. I think it has, I want to say 7. I don't know, I'll have to go back and watch my own review. This one from Tarte, some of their shimmers pretty much border on metallic. Like these ones here, very close. Urban Decay actually has a new metallics palette. I haven't used it yet, but it looks pretty cool. You can also go for liquid metallics. This is from Eyeko. I used it in the inner corners of the eyes, which you can see in the tutorial. Metallic eyeshadow is really fun, especially in the winter. As it gets darker out, it's fun to have something shiny and sparkly like the stars in the sky. So here is my metallic eyeshadow tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. So we're going to start with a nice matte sort of walnut brown shade, like the one right there. And just start to work it through the crease of the eye. You just want to get a nice shape, and then we'll start adding the metallic. So just keep adding that brown shade to the crease, working it back and forth with a windshield wiper type motion, building the color, blending it a bit as you go along, rounding it towards the ends. Then using a blending brush, just soften those lines a tad, blending the shade up. Just smoking out that walnut brown shade a bit. Grab your metallic shade, and then with your finger, just drag that across the eye. It really picks up metallic shadow a bit better when you use your fingertips than with a brush. Gives you a stronger pigment. So just keep using your index finger to blend your metallic shade over your eyelid. Same thing on the other eye. You can really see how it gets that metal foil-like saturation. Using a light shade, just highlight the brow bone up above the brown crease shadow. And if you want, you can blend the edges of the crease and brow bone shadow. Then take a liquid liner and run that along the top lash line, really defining your metallic eyeshadow. Nothing too fancy. Take it out just a tiny bit, wing it out a little bit at the outer end of your eye. Same thing on your other eye. Really just adding definition. Then use a black eye pencil and run that through the waterline, again just to add more drama. Take a matte hickory brown shade and run that along your lower lash line. Just want to add, like I said before, more definition, more intensity. This is not a subtle makeup look. Then I'm going to take this lid gloss from Eyeko and just paint that into the inner corners of the eyes. It's a fun metallic liquid lid gloss. really just highlight the metallic look we're going for. Then use a mascara, this one's from Tarte. Pop that on your top lashes to get some volume and some length. The nice black mascara contrasts nicely with the burgundy red shade of our metallic eyeshadow. And just gently run that on your lower lashes as well. Then I'm going to use a concealer. It's super out of focus there, but it's from Maybelline. Any follow-up that I have created, I will just clean up really quick. I like to take any under eye concealer and also run it down into the cheek a little bit, just so we have a more seamless coverage. Then I use NYX Wonder Stick, which is a contour and highlight dual-ended stick. Run that just under my cheekbones and blend it with my fingers, just for a subtle contour. The eyes are pretty full on, so I didn't want to go too crazy with the contour this time. And then the other end of the stick, use the highlighter just on the tops of the cheeks, just for a subtle highlight. Then I used a blush from Lottie London and just popped that on the apple of the cheeks, blending together the contour shade and the highlighter. It's really more of a neutral toned blush, again keeping it a little more subtle. Use lipstick from MAC. It's Rebel. And then just trace that over your lips. It's like a pretty magenta pink shade. Really goes nicely with the metallic eyes. It's a satin finish lipstick. And there we have our finished metallic eyeshadow makeup tutorial. Metallics are really big this fall, and they're perfect for this time of year anyway, when everything's shining and sparkling in the night sky. And that is my metallic eyeshadow tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said in the beginning, there are so many different options for metallic eyeshadows. Really, the sky's the limit. It's totally up to you. Thank you for watching. If you liked this, you know what to do. Thumbs up, subscribe. Check out my blog for more in-depth discussion and more pictures. I will see you next time. Have a great day.